Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Owl, and welcome to my last video for August 2025. I hope you'll stick around and see what came in my P.O. box this month. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what came in my P.O. box for the month. Sometimes these are show us your sheet load cards, other times they're cards just because. But all times, I love to open each and every one. If you ever want to send me a just because card, I do have my P.O. box at the bottom of the description box below. And if you want to send in a sheet load for the show us your sheet load part of this video, I do have the updated guidelines video linked down in that description box as well. Like I mentioned in the intro, this is my final video for August 2025, so make sure to stop back by tomorrow so you can get a look and find out how to download the brand new free card making printable, the September 2025 sheetload of cards. It was inspired by one of my creative team members, and I think it's a super fun layout, so you're not going to want to miss it. Let's go ahead and see what's in these envelopes. Up first is a card from Allison H. of Texas. She won one of my bubblegum bonus prizes in my Christmas in July Advent All Year Long celebration. So she made me that bright and fun card using the product that she got, and check out how she decorated her envelope. I absolutely love it. And speaking of prizes, if you are a die cut or paper trimmer level channel member and would like a chance to win a prize from me, make sure to join us for this afternoon's August 2025 channel member live stream. I will be going live this afternoon at 1:00 p.m. Central, so any interested channel members can join in. You can join on Zoom or watch the stream here on YouTube. Check out the membership tab for the important links. And this month we are playing a new game, and it is Pick Your Parameters, which, thank you to Mary Gun Fun of Craft Roulette, we're going to be using some of Mr. Wheel's parameters to make our card. If you're seeing this a little later in the month, you will have until September 15th to play along and get entered into the end of the month drawing. Hope to see you there! Pat D. from Texas sent in this example using the July 2022 sheetload of cards, which we recently rewound back to here on my channel. I know this card could be sent to anyone, but those papers make a fantastic masculine card. Caroline K. from California used the August 2025 sheet load for this beautiful card. I love those blues and the foiling on the cut apart she used for her sentiment. Polly N. from Texas sent me a sweet note inside of this beautiful card. I love the rainbow background and how it's a gatefold. And Polly, I did get the second card that I will be sending on to the crafty friend that you wanted it to go to. And I want to show you just real quick the inside of this card. Unfortunately, I forgot to hide her last name with my post-it note, but I think you get the idea. I really love how she decorated that. Up next is a package from Stephanie M. of Germany. If you are ever at my live streams, you have probably met her in the chat. It is inside of this beautiful turquoise foil, which I probably am going to hang on to. And it came with this fun circle card and a note inside. And she sent me this because I mentioned probably in a live stream that I did not have any colored vellum. So she definitely fixed that with her package. I love the wide variety of patterns. There is foiling on like almost all of the sheets. I was going to show you each one, but look at that, you guys. There is so much. I did measure it quickly. I thought it would be fun to make a card base. It's slightly different than an A2, but I think I could make it work. Thank you so much, Stephanie. Up next is a package from Carmen B. of Colorado. Not only was there this gorgeous sunflower card that she made inside of there, but her note said that she knows I love wood grain paper, so she shared some wood grain cardstock with me, and then a package of Stampin' Up! Paper that is all about wood grain. This is the Wood Textures Designer Series paper stack, and you guys, there is like every color and style of wood that you can imagine. I cannot wait to put this to use. Thank you so much, Carmen. Carmen did mention in her card how she sent me one of the latest mini catalogs, and I did get it probably last week, and I went through every single page, and I've dog-eared quite a few, but I wanted to share with you the pattern paper I definitely have to get for my Christmas card making. Let me get to the right page. All right, on page 23, it is called, let me see here, Traditions of Christmas 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. Look at all of those gorgeous patterns on the front, and then they have the nice coordinating side B. But I don't think you can tell it in the camera, but there is some foiling on this. I am definitely placing my order as soon as I can with Carmen. And speaking of that, if you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you would like to place an order out of the new mini catalog, make sure to check out my description box below for a link to her site. Thank you so much to everyone who took the time to send in a card, and to Stephanie and Carmen for the beautiful, fantastic, wonderful papers. I cannot wait to put those to use. If you enjoy these Show Us Your Sheet Load / Happy Mail videos, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. And until tomorrow, when I'll be back with a brand new sheet load of cards, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.